Hello, I'm Khaled from Resistance against aggressive advertising, which is an NGO who fights against aggressive advertising about the bad effects of advertising in the citizens and on the environment. And so we are here in our office. So it is an office, a place where there are many activists here who come there doing meetings, workshops, and our organization is there.
What is your motivation?
Our motivation is to fight against advertising, not all the advertising, but what we consider as aggressive. So there are many bad effects in the advertising. The first one is that we have too much advertising every day. We have something like 2,000 or 1,000 advertising, seeing it every day here in Paris. So it's a big problem, and it is imposed to us. So we fight against it to say we don't want. We want to choose the advertising and not having it imposed to us, and we fight against what is in the advertising. There are many messages in this, and like sexism in it, bad messages about products, polluting products in it, and the advertising wants us to consume more, and if we want to save the planet, about climate change, for example, we have to reduce our consumption and the production of materials. So we fight against this, but there are many other problems like the democratic problems. The medias take money from the advertising, so for the information they are not so independent, and it's a great problem.
What kind of methods do you use?
So in our NGO, we do information about the advertising, because many people are not conscious of that advertising. We see it every day, but so we are used to it, and we don't find it dangerous. So we inform the people about it, so like doing flyers, things like this, the pedagogic things. So it's the first action that we do. And we do also reports to show what are the problems about advertising, like university reports. And we also do advocacy. So we talk to the politics to change the laws, and thanks to it we can regulate more the advertising system. And we do also direct action, and so we say non-violent direct action in France. So we do action on the advertising, because advertising is aggressive to us, and the first thing that we want to do is to answer to it, saying to it. So that's why we do this. So we put posters on the advertising against the advertising.
Do you want to say something about like using creativity and humor?
Yes, in France we have a sentence saying that résister c'est créer, créer c'est résister. Resist is creation, and creation is resistance. We do this type of actions, and because we do this, we like funny things, and people like it. When people see our posters in the street, they laugh, they do photo, and but our goal is to show the bad effects of the advertising. So it works when we do these posters. There are many people that say, oh, bravo, bravo, good, do this. And so we like, and our activists, in our creation we want to laugh, because the system is bad, but we are good. So we want to laugh and to have, how do we say it, des moments conviviaux. I don't know how to say it in English, but we want to laugh with our activists and to laugh with the people. And I think it's the biggest weapon of the world, to laugh about it, because it's bad, but we can change the system with a good smile.
Nice. Is there anything you would like to add?
maybe when we fight against the system, it's not easy. We have to win, and in our dark world, we have to find the light. So it's very important for the people to group together, to have more power, because the collective, for the group, has the power in it. And if we work together, we can win many fights. And in France, we had some victories, not very greatest victories, but I think that the system can be put down by victories, and one day when there is progressists who think, I don't know how to call it, people who want to change really the system, who come, it's important that we have to be organized for this. We have to be organized against the system, the bad system, and to be organized for the next system that we want to build together. And in France, we had many communities that we had victories against advertising in big cities, and the government now talks about advertising. So it's important that they do laws to protect us.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.